Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to uh, what is that called as the playlist PMCQs. So this is the first PMCQ, that means practice MCQs. Inshallah, I'll post these videos as soon as possible and in a frequent way. Okay, because in the recent examinations I have seen that our students have done so many mistakes in doing MCQs and they are taking too much time. So this happens only when your concepts are weak. Okay, so please in this series I'm going to explain you each and every MCQ along with its concept. So everybody please take your notebooks and do along with me. Once I write the question, uh, check whether you are able to do or not. If not, try to do it, and if you are unable to get it, just watch how to approach the problem. Okay, so let us go for the next problem. See, in this question, a cylinder is covered by two hemispheres shaped lid of equal shape. Find the total surface area of the new object. So if you read it like this, you will not understand anything. So a cylinder is covered by, actually it is a phrase, two hemisphere shaped lid of equal shape. A cylinder is covered. Suppose let us take a cylinder, you can take it either standing or in a horizontal way or in a vertical way. Okay, this is cylinder, and now it is covered by two hemisphere shaped lid of equal shape on both sides. So on one side and another side also you have. Okay, now what is the total surface area of the new object? So what is total surface area? See, the surfaces wherever you see, this is curved surface area of cylinder, and we see over here, what is this? Curved surface area of hemisphere, and here also we see curved surface area of hemisphere. My question is, will be is this a curved surface area? Is this surface? No. When it is covered by, for example, let us say that this is a hemisphere. Okay, this is a, and it is covered over here with this is a cylinder, and if we cover it with a hemisphere, will the bottom area of the hemisphere be visible outside? No, it is covered on the top. So therefore, we have to take only the curved surface area. Is it right? So let us take. So what will be the total surface area of new object? So total surface area of new object is equal to, one is curved surface area of hemisphere plus curved surface area of cylinder plus curved surface area of hemisphere. Is it right? So what is curved surface area of hemisphere? 2 pi r square plus what is curved surface area of cylinder? It is 2 pi r h plus what is curved surface area of hemisphere? 2 pi r square. So he has told us that the measurements are they are of equal shape. That means radius will be equal. Radius of hemisphere is equal to radius of cylinder. Is it right? So now see, the radius of hemisphere is equal to radius of cylinder, right? And both the hemispheres are same equal shape. So that means, can I add 2 pi r square plus 2 pi r square? Yes, I can add. So 4 pi r square plus 2 pi r h. So here neither radius is given or height is given, but what is given? They are of equal shape. That means radius of both hemisphere and cylinder are equal. So here the r over here and the r in this formula are equal. We don't know about h, so can we take common sum? Pi is common. You have pi common, and r, and here also r we have. And in 4 and 2, what can we take? 4 actually, can you write it as 2 into 2? So that means 2 is common. This 2 and this 2 is common. So let us take 2 pi r common. So when we take 2 pi r common from 4, 2 2s are 4. If I take 1 2 common, what is left out? Another 2. Is it right? And if I take pi, nothing is left out. And r square, from r square if I take 1 r, another r is left out, plus 2 pi r, when I take common, what is left out? 2 pi r into 2r plus h square units. So this is the answer. I hope everybody understood. So in this question, it has been given LCM of a comma 18 is equal to 36 and HCF of a comma 18 is equal to 2. Then find a. Here LCM and HCF, this is from which chapter? The first chapter, real numbers. And in real numbers, we have studied the relation between LCM, HCF and two numbers. Did we study? We have studied. So what is that? LCM of x comma y times HCF of x comma y equals product of these two numbers. So this is what we have studied in. So LCM of x comma y into HCF of x comma y is equal to x into y, product of two numbers, right? So let us do it. LCM of a comma 18 is 36. In place of LCM, listen, stop writing. Multiplied by, what is HCF of two numbers? 2 equals, now what are these two numbers? A times 18. So that implies, I am not going to multiply this. So 37 into 2, I have to find A. So transpose 18. When I transpose 18, what happens? It is in multiplication. It comes to division. That is equal to A. So 18 ones are 18. 18 twos are 36. So that implies 2 twos are 4 equals A. So the concept is, whenever you see LCM and HCF and if numbers are given, so then try to remember this concept. Got it, my dear students? If it is given for 2 marks, write the concept and highlight like this. You will get easily. If you don't know how to solve the problem, or if you have done somewhere in the calculation mistake, you will get. If it is for 2 marks, 1.5 marks you will get. Understood? You write the formula, you will get half mark. And you write what is given, you will get half mark. Understood? Thank you. Practice it. The sum of exponents of prime factors in the prime factorization of 196 is how much? See, what is prime factorization? Anybody? What is prime factorization? So prime factorization is nothing but writing the given number, expressing the given number as a product of prime numbers. As a product of prime numbers. For this, you have to know what are the prime numbers which are starting. So prime numbers start from 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, so on. So you have to remember prime numbers till at least 50. Understood or not? So you have to write 196 as product of these numbers. And in primes, 2 is the only even number, even prime. 2 is the only even prime, all others are odd numbers. So let us take 196, let us go by tree method. So 2 how many times? 2 9s are 18, 1 is remainder in 16, 98 times. Okay, I think this tree is not, okay, 2 is a prime number. Now divide of 98 with 2. 2 how many times in 9? 2 4s are 8. 1 is remainder in 18. 9 times. Is it right? So 2 is a prime number. And now 49 you cannot divide with 2 because 49 is an odd number. But if I know, if I am little bit good in mathematics, I can see that 49 is a perfect square. So it is 7 times 7. 7 sevens are 49. And I can see that 7 is a prime number. So everywhere you get prime number. So therefore 196 can be written as 2 into 2, 2 square, multiplied by 7 into 7, 7 square. Now what is asking? Sum of exponents. Sum of exponents is equal to, what is exponent? The one which, the number which is in the power. So it is 2 plus 2. So that is equal to 4 is the answer. Got it, my dear students? So prime factorization, actually try to write the prime numbers till at least 50. Okay, you are in grade 10, they will be asked. So they are used. Okay, let us go to 19th problem and 11.01. Assertion and reasoning. Come on. Wow. Yes, beta. The 19th one is assertion and reasoning, right? See, whenever you see assertion and reasoning, first read assertion and separately and reasoning separately. Okay. See, for example, here in triangle ABC, DE is parallel such that AD is equal to this much, AE, BD, EC, then X is equal to. So in this, in order to prove whether X is equal to 5 or not, what I am supposed to do? I am supposed to find out what is X. So I don't know whether it is true or not. So now read the reasoning. A line drawn parallel to one side to intersect other two at distant points, then two sides are divided in the same ratio. What do you call this? It is basic proportionality theorem. We have already studied in a triangle. If this line, one line is parallel to another line, suppose A, B and C, they are parallel, let's say, it is parallel to DE. So then what? Then according to basic proportionality theorem, AD by BD is equal to AE by CE, right? So that is what he told. That means reasoning is true. R is true. Now let us check whether it is true or not. What is given? AD is given. AD is 7x minus 4 and AE is 5x minus 2. After that DB is this one, 3x plus 4 and EC is 3x. Okay, so according to basic proportionality theorem, 7x minus 4 by 3x plus 4 is equal to 5x minus 2 by 3x. Is it right? So you you want to go like writing this in proportion and cross multiplying and do? It is 1 mark question. See, he has already given x is equal to 5. So let us substitute x is equal to 5 in this. Let us substitute x is equal to 5. 7 into 5 minus 4. 7 5s are 35 minus 4. It is 31. And now let us substitute 5. 3 into 5 plus 4. 3 5s are 15 plus 4. That is equal to 19. So what is the ratio on left hand side? 31 by 19. So 31 divided by 19. It should be equal to right hand side. So 31 and 19, are there any common factors? No, 19 is a prime number, 31 is a prime number. So there is no common factor. Now here you check 5x minus 2. X is given what? 5. So it is 5 into 5 minus 2. That means 25 minus 2. It is 23. So 23 divided by, what is 3x? 3 into 3? 3 into 5. 3 into 5 is 15. So is 31 by 19 equal to 23 by 15? It seems not. So it is not, right? So 31 by 19 is not equal to 23 by 15. So it can be equal, right? Okay, your doubt, let us prove it. Cross multiply. If I multiply 31 into 15, it is 19 into 23. Sir, should I multiply this? No need. Multiply ones and ones. 5 ones are 5. The last digit should be 5, whatever it is. And here 9 threes are 27. So that means the last digit is 7, whatever it is here. Are they equal? They are not equal. So therefore no need to solve that. We can say that x is not equal to 5. So therefore what is solution? The solution is that A is false and R is true. I think it is a third option, I believe, right? So third or fourth, whatever it is. What is the option given? So the third option is, yeah, assertion is true, reason is false. It is the third option. So assertion is false and reason is true. That is the last option. Everybody understood how to approach assertion and reasoning? So if value is given, no need to solve. Understood? If you try to solve this 7x minus 4 by 3x plus 4, 5x minus 2 by 3x, you will get quadratic equation. Understood, my dear students? I'll do this. I'll rub this board and I'll try to solve what is x for you. Now let us see if this question is given for 2 marks, what to do. He has given DE is parallel to BC. So therefore, by BPT, by basic proportionality theorem, AD by BD is equal to AE by C. And what is given AD? 7x minus 4 divided by what is BD? 3x plus 4 is equal to what is AE? 5x minus 2 divided by, and what is CE? CE is equal to 3x. So now transpose, that implies 3x multiplied by 7x minus 4 is equal to, and you take this to numerator, it is 3x plus 4 multiplied by 5x minus 2. Let us multiply now. 3x into 7x, 21x square. 3x into minus 4, minus 12x. And now 3x into 5x, 15x square. 3x into minus 2, minus 6x. Plus 4 into 5, 20x. Plus 4 into minus 2, minus 8. So that is equal to 21x square minus 12x. Transpose the whole right hand side to left hand side. So 15x square will become minus 15x square, and 6x minus 6x plus 20x will become plus 14x. So when you transpose, minus 14x and minus 8 will become plus 8 is equal to 0. Okay, so what is left out here? 21x square minus 21 minus 15. 21 minus 15, how much? 6x square, right? And minus 12 minus 14, minus 26x. Is it right? And plus 8 is equal to 0. So we got a quadratic equation. So let us solve the quadratic equation by the formula x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. But before doing everything, I just want to multiply b square minus 4ac first. So what is b square? Minus 26 whole square minus 4 times what is a? 6. And what is b? So sorry, what is c? 8. So 26 square, I believe it is 676 minus 6 4s are 24 and 24 into 8, 8 4s are 32, 8 2s are 16 plus 3, 19. Is it right? So 6 4s are 24, 24 8s are 192, right? Now let us subtract 676 minus 192. 6 minus 2 is 4. and 17 minus 9 is 8, and it is 5. 5 minus 1 is 4. Okay, so that is equal to 484. Now let us find out x. X is equal to minus, what is b here? B is minus 26 plus or minus square root of 484 divided by 2 times, what is a? 2 6 are 12. Okay, now minus into minus plus or minus 484. What is square root of 484? It is 22 divided by 2 6 are 12. So what is the answer? 26. That is equal to, what is the answer? 26 plus 22 by 12 or 26 minus 22 by 12. So that implies 26 plus 22 is 48. 48 divided by 12 is 4. And 26 minus 22 is 4. 4 divided by 12 means 1 by 3. It can be 4 or 1 by 3, but not 5. Now assertion, it is given 5. But if this problem is given for 2 marks, all this has to be done. They may give for 2 marks or 3 marks. Yeah, I believe. So understood, my dear students? So this is how you find the value. Do it neatly, and inshallah you will get it. So the next problem, assertion, it is given the largest number that divides 70, 125, which leaves remainder 5 and 8 respectively is 13. We have to find it out. And the HCF of 65, 117 is equal to 13. Okay. Let us see whether it is there or not. Okay. Let us find out first the largest number that divides 60, 125, which leaves remainder. Here, the number which divides is called as factor, right? So if suppose for example 20 is divisible by 2, so that means 2 is the factor of 20, right? Now he is asking the largest number that divides, so that means largest number means highest common factor. So he is asking the highest common factor of 70 and 25, but it leaves a remainder 5 and 8. So that means 70 and 125 does not have a common factor. Okay, because it is leaving a remainder. So let us find the number by subtracting the reminders. So first number is equal to 70 minus 5, that is equal to 65. And second number is equal to 125 minus 8, that is equal to 117. So what he is telling, the largest number that divides, that means he is asking us to indirectly find out the HCF of 65, 117. Let us find out how to find. You can do so many ways. Either you do by prime factorization or you do by long division method. But anyway, you are in 10th. Let us do by prime factorization. What is the first prime number that divides 65? 3. So 3 how many times? 3 2s are 6, and 6 plus 5 is 11. Sorry, 3 is not divisible. 5. 5 times. 5 1s are 5, and in 15, 3 times. So it is 5 into 13. Understood? Now take 117. Here 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 7 is 9. So it is divisible by 3. 3 how many times? 3 3s are 9, and 27, 3 9s are 27. So 39, it is also divisible by 3. It is 13 times. So let me write it by exponents 5 to the power of 5 to the power of 1 into 13 to the power of 1, and you have 3 here, so I will write it as 3 to the power of 0, and 3 into 3, I will write it as 3 square into 13 to the power of 1 into, you have 5, so let me write 5 to the power of 0. And we have studied, if you remember, that if you are finding highest common factor, so you have to take lowest power in order to find HCF. So HCF of 65 and 117 is equal to, let us take 5, you have 5 to the power of 1 and 5 to the power of 0, which is lowest? 5 to the power of 0 into 13 to the power of 1, 13 to the power of 1. Both are same. So I will go for 13 to the power of 1 into 3 to the power of 0 and 3 square. What should I do? Take 3 to the power of 0. So what is 5 to the power of 0? 1. 13 to the power of 1, 13. 3 to the power of 0, 1. So 1 into 13 into 1, 13. So HCF of 65 and 117 is 13. So reason is true, and the largest number that divides 70, 125 by leaving remainders 5 and 8 is 13. This is also true, and it is true because HCF of these two numbers is 13. So what is our option? A is true, R is true, and R is explanation of A. So answer the available option is the first option A. Got it, my dear students? So please practice. I keep on telling you, but you people don't practice, and some of my students are there who read mathematics notes as novels. And let me tell you, in board examination, they will be writing only stories. Understood or not? Harry Potter stories or any other stories. Understood? Salahuddin Ayyubi. These stories they will write. Understood? They will not do mathematics. So please practice. Understood or not, my dear students? Please practice mathematics without using your pen and paper. You cannot do it in examinations. So I hope you understand this, and let us go for the next problems in the next video.